Most people do not fail with ebooks because they have no ideas. They fail because they create a PDF and then have no idea how to turn that PDF into a real business. No store, no checkout, no funnel, no email follow-up, no social content, no video promos, no lead magnet, no way to package it, promote it, or sell it properly. And that is why so many ebooks end up sitting inside Google Drive, Canva folders, or hard drives, doing absolutely nothing. Because here's the truth. An ebook alone is not a business. An ebook without a store cannot collect payments. An ebook without a funnel cannot capture leads. An ebook without emails cannot follow up. An ebook without traffic content has no promotion engine. And an ebook without a real offer is just another file. That is why we created eBookBiz AI, the AI-powered ebook business engine that turns one simple niche idea into a complete ebook-based business system in minutes. Not just the ebook, the business around the ebook. Here is how it works. You enter a niche idea, something like weight loss for busy moms, AI tools for small business owners, dog training for new puppy owners, productivity for remote workers, or any niche you want. eBookBiz AI helps create the title, subtitle, reader avatar, transformation promise, chapter structure, and complete ebook direction. Then it helps generate the ebook itself. But this is where eBookBiz AI becomes different. Most AI ebook tools stop there. eBookBiz AI continues. It takes that same ebook and builds the entire digital product ecosystem around it. Your ebook store, your product page, your sales page, your checkout page, your thank you page, your download page, your lead magnet, your funnel, your follow-up emails, your abandoned cart emails, your affiliate swipes, your 30-day social content campaign, your TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts ideas, your video promo scripts, your audiobook assets, and even your podcast content. Everything is built around the same niche, same audience, same promise, and same ebook. So instead of jumping between 10 different AI tools, or hiring writers, designers, copywriters, funnel builders, email marketers, and video script writers, you can build the core assets from one connected dashboard. And you can also upload existing content, old PDFs, PLR reports, guides, manuscripts, training material. eBookBiz AI can scan the content, find the hidden business potential inside it, and help turn it into a more complete ebook business asset. That means you can start from a new idea, or revive content you already have. And this is powerful whether you are a creator, coach, freelancer, agency owner, affiliate marketer, PLR user, author, course creator, or complete beginner. You do not need to be an author. You do not need to be a designer. You do not need to be a funnel expert. You do not need to be technical. You just need one niche idea. And during this special launch, you can get eBookBiz AI today for just $12 one time. No monthly fees. Commercial license included, future updates included. Plus, you also get access to premium AI business bonuses during this launch. And your purchase is protected by a full 30-day risk-free guarantee. So there is no risk in trying it today. The old way was slow, expensive, and confusing. Write the ebook, build the store, create the funnel, write the emails, plan the traffic, script the videos, create the audio, build the podcast content, figure everything out yourself. The new way is simple. One idea, one ebook, one store, one funnel, one traffic system, one complete AI-powered ebook business engine. So if you have ever wanted to create ebooks, sell digital products, build niche assets, create lead magnets, promote affiliate offers, or create ebook packages for clients, this is your chance to move faster. Click the button below now. Get eBookBiz AI today and start turning one simple niche idea into a complete AI-powered ebook business.